people, hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make biryani. You all know biryani is a famous delicacy of India, but you know what? Biryani is originated from West Asia and got its name from a Persian word biryan, which means fried rice. So I'm gonna show you how to make this delicacy. These are all the ingredients we wanted to make biryani, but I'll show you all one by one. In this bowl we have all the whole spices that needs to be grinded. Some fennel seeds, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise and nutmeg. I'll tell you what nutmeg is used for. Here we go again. We have the whole spices which needs to be added into the hot oil, and this gives a good flavor to your biryani. This is nutmeg. Nutmeg is a rich source of antioxidants and it has a pungent fragrance, and it is used to flavor many kinds of baked goods, puddings, meats, sausages and vegetables. And we have 2 spoons, okay, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and red chili powder. So 2 spoons of red chili powder which we'll be adding, and a little turmeric powder, um, and thinly sliced onions, 2 in number, and we have 3 whole green chilies, and a bowl of curd which is around 150 ml of curd. And so yeah, so we also have 2 tomatoes chopped, a bunch of coriander leaves, a bunch of mint leaves, and this is homemade ghee. We'll be adding a rich amount of ghee for the biryani. Salt to taste, and I've taken half a kg of chicken chunks. So this measures exactly 500 grams of chicken. I'm just trying to measure in the weighing scale, and if you have a weighing scale, you can measure your ingredients to add exactly for what proportion you are making the dish. Okay, so this is like I'm just adding 500 grams chicken for 500 grams of rice, and this gives you a perfect output, or like what you wanted, you expect. And yeah, the chicken chunks are like added equally to the rice for um, to get a nice taste. Yeah. So now we have to grind the whole spices. Yep, and this is the spice powder which adds extra umami to your biryani. Alright, now let's start the process of making biryani. Heat your biryani pan and add around 5 spoons of vegetable oil. So add in the bay leaves once the oil is hot. Add the whole spices, just give it a stir. The whole spices needs to extract its flavor into the oil. So you'll have to give some time, and then add sliced onions. Make sure onions are sliced thin so that it cooks very fast. and also tastes good. Just add in 2 spoons of ghee uh, for the onion to cook well. It actually get fries well soon with the help of the ghee and the oil. In the meanwhile, the midst of cooking onions, you take a bowl and add a spoon of salt and then chicken chunks. What I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna cook the chicken for another 5 minutes alongside. Here we go. Look at the color of the onion. It's turning brown. And this is what the texture we wanted exactly. To this onion, I'm adding a pinch of asafoetida powder. That is hing powder. This is my infusion, my method of making biryani. This actually adds the flavor to the biryani, and also it helps in digestion. Now add in all your greenies, the mint leaves and coriander leaves, and fry well in the oil until it lose all its water content. It shouldn't be moisty. It has to be fried well in the oil to lose all its water content. Yep, now the chicken has cooked for say 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the tomatoes, the chopped tomatoes, and then I'll give it a stir. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add the green chilies. Mix well. Let it cook for some time. You'll have to fry all these ingredients together. It should be like, binded, and it should form a kind of a clay structure, or that pasty consistency. Now I'm adding in the chili powder. Also add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix all these together. Yeah, and the grounded spice mixture. That's the essential part of the biryani to improve the flavor, or gives a good authentic smell to your biryani. Now you add in the curd. Give a mix. Cook all these ingredients together to form paste. Look at the paste. That's very well cooked. Just adding in some salt. Your gluey masala is ready. That's the exact way we want it. Smooth paste out of all these spices on the ingredients we've added. Yep, that's going to be excellent. Chicken is ready and it is half cooked, so we'll strain the water. Add the chicken pieces into your biryani vessel. Give it a mix. Mix the chicken chunks with the masala. Let them coat well. Now add the chicken soup, the leftover, the strained water from the chicken. This needs to be added and then cooked along with the chicken pieces for another 5 minutes. Yep, approximately 5 minutes. You can just cover it with the lid and then cook it for another 5 minutes for the chicken to get a little more tender. Let's check the cooked chicken along with the masala. That looks good. Perfectly cooked chicken pieces. This is what we want. Just follow my tips on the description to get it in the right way, guys. I'm actually taking long time to describe all these ingredients specifically for you to make a tasty biryani. Now you add in 7 glasses of water. This is actually for 3 glasses of rice. Okay, so when it comes to 2:2 ratio, 3 glasses of water, 6 glasses of 3 glasses of rice and 6 glasses of water. And here I'm adding 7 glasses of water. Don't include the soup which we have added along with the chicken, because that's for the chicken. That's completely for the chicken. Okay, so don't include that. Excluding that, you'll have to add 7 glasses of water. Squeeze some lemon juice, lime water. I'm adding in 1 lemon for half kg of chicken. handle with care. Yeah, I have to put a disclaimer, handle with care, because it's fragile. Yep, it's like a glass piece. That's how we have to deal with the biryani rice. It's soft and tender, and if you are handling it hard, it will break. So you'll have to handle with care because it's fragile. At this stage, you can check the salt and you could adjust accordingly. You can add in as per your taste. Add in some ghee. Rich amount of ghee makes your rice spongy, and it also makes it soft and tender, non-sticky. Cover it with a lid and leave it for a long 20-25 minutes. Put a weight on your vessel and leave it for a solid 30 minutes for the rice to get cooked along with the uh, ingredients. Yeah. After 30 minutes, look at the output. That's it. The biryani is ready, and we have some tamarind chutney for this biryani, which I'll show you later uh, in my next recipe. Good luck, enjoy.